All right, making some progress. That's in. I don't know why it looks out of focus to me, but maybe not. I've come back and put some polyurethane on the inside here, or silicone actually, to keep it from, in case there's a leak, which I don't think there will be, but in case there's a leak. Gee. Yay, my first piece of reflectics is going in. That's where the old manual vent was. So I've got 400 square feet ordered to do the whole thing. I figured it was 385 feet. And then I've got to, of course, I've got to do up there yet. I'm going to fill in those two little spots on either end for now. I just got a few pieces here. So, you know, every little bit I get done is that much less I have to do. Foamed in around the window. I've got to trim all that off, little by little. All right, got my new ceiling vent ready to go. I've got actually 2 layers on here, just to be on the safe side, because this thing kind of, you know, rocks and rolls, so it twists a little bit more than probably a lot of them do. Maybe not, I don't know. But I put 2 layers on there, so that's ready to go. And then get past all my junk here. This is ready to cut. I've double and triple checked everything, all my measurements, but still a little apprehensive. Starting to put some reflectics up, and then the foam will come in next. All right, yeah, I'm gonna start drilling some holes. Check back, see if it went all right. Got my 4 corner holes drilled, and then what I'll do is I'll go up, finish them through the aluminum, and then I'll take a jigsaw with a fine blade and connect the holes and clean up the aluminum and drop the fan in and screw it in. Yeah, fun, fun, fun. I can't really see out here in the sun, but there's my 4 holes. If you can see them, I hope you can. Now I'm going to drill them out, then I'll connect the dots. Okay, I hope you can see that, because I can't see it with the sun behind me. But everything's marked. No turning back now. Well, the deed is done. No turning back now. Let's go on the inside and take a quick look. Ooh, another window. No window, just a fan. That's nerve-wracking, let me tell you. But it came out good. Now I just got to see if the fan fits. I have a tendency to make things a little bit too snug, so I can always grind it a little bit if I need to. All right, back on the top. I'm going to sand all around the edges, clean it with some alcohol, and get the fan up there. Stick with me. Fits like a glove with a little bit of room for expansion of the metal. And I'm going to be coming back and putting some Tropicool on here after I fix these edges. There's some minor leaks. I mean, really minor leaks with whatever the stuff they got on here. You can see sometimes it didn't get all the way, and that's where it's leaking underneath this aluminum, going under and then back under. Very minor, but I'm going to pull all this crap off and redo it. There's where the old vent was. So we're making progress. I'm just going to screw it in. I'm going to put a couple extra screws in it on the corners just to be on the safe side. So check back. Hopefully we'll be done in no time. And of course the interior trim won't be on until I get the ceiling up. Alright, check back. This fan had a good review, and it's 3 in and 3 out. It's manual here for your lift and close. But what I really liked about it is it has LED lights around the whole perimeter of the beauty trim. An on-off button right there, so I don't have to put a light in here. It's already got one, and it's pretty bright. I hooked it up to a motorcycle battery. It's very bright. So I'm still going to have to put one here over the shower area because it's going to be dark in there, you know, with the pretty closed in. So I'm going to put one there. So that saves me one light. Yay! That's done except for the self-leveling. I've got it on order. It was supposed to come in yesterday. It didn't, but it rained all day yesterday anyway. So I've got the screws in, and they're definitely squeezing out the 2 layers of butyl tape, so it's not going to leak until I get that on there. All right, I'm going to do some more reflectics, and I've got 4 rolls, 400 square feet coming in to do all these walls and the ceiling. Oh, fun, fun, fun. Come and join me. I could use all the help I can get, let me tell you. All right, on to the next. Well, starting to put a little bit more reflectics in. I got that next opening ready. I'm supposed to have 4 rolls come in today, so hopefully they'll get here and I can do a little bit more today and tomorrow. Well, looky what I got today. I ordered it yesterday via eBay because they had the cheapest price on the same material, and look what came in today. 400 square feet of double bubble reflectics. I like it, I like it. Now I can get something done. I'll be working tomorrow too by the looks. Alright, check on back. Found something interesting on this fan. The Fantastic fan and the Max Air fan all do the same thing. So when you open it, it's nice and smooth. Now when you close the other ones, it kind of shudders. Look at this one. Nice and smooth. No shuddering. I like that.